Hey, to record sounds with your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, first of all you will have to swipe up to open apps menu. And now we are searching for the sound recorder. This is actually this application. So tap on it once to open. Now click on next. Then you will have to scroll down, select allow. Do the same for the nearby devices and click next. Now let's tap on it one more time. As you can see, in my case I've got some kind of the issue that it doesn't work. So let's try again. Okay, now when I actually go back, I can start by clicking here, and as you can see, it just starts recording my voice. If I want to finish, I can click here. Now I have to click OK, and this is actually the record. There we go. I can turn up the volume. And yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.